Imagine a world where vehicles are built not by robotic arms or automated assembly lines, but by the steady hands of master craftsmen. In this video, we step inside a remarkable workshop where passenger buses are manufactured entirely by hand, using nothing but simple manual tools and a wealth of traditional know-how. This is not just manufacturing, it's a living example of pure craftsmanship. The process begins with the creation of the metal frame, which forms the backbone of the bus. Instead of relying on electric welders or CNC machines, workers use hammers, hand-operated bending tools, and screwdrivers to shape and fasten the steel beams together. Every strike of the hammer and every turn of a screw is carefully measured, relying on years of experience rather than high-tech equipment. It's a slow, deliberate process, but the result is a sturdy, well-balanced structure. Once the skeleton of the bus is complete, the next phase begins, forming the outer body. Large sheets of steel are measured, cut, and shaped using hand saws and manual cutters. You won't see plasma cutters or industrial presses here, just the precision of a craftsman's eye and the strength of skilled hands. Workers bend the metal sheets over wooden molds or simple jigs to achieve the correct curves, adjusting them millimeter by millimeter until they fit perfectly against the frame. When the body panels are ready, they are fixed into place using manual fastening methods. Instead of automated welding, the craftsmen rely on bolts, rivets, and hand-driven screws. Each connection is tightened with precision, ensuring that the body is both durable and flexible enough to withstand the rigors of the road. This phase demonstrates incredible teamwork. Workers move in perfect harmony, each person focused on a specific task, but all working toward a single vision. With the outer body assembled, attention shifts to the painting and finishing stage. The bus is cleaned and primed by hand, and a simple handheld spray gun is used to apply the paint. Watching the paint mist evenly coat the steel surface is mesmerizing. It's a careful process, often involving multiple layers, and once the main color is applied, decorative details and trims are added using nothing more than brushes and steady hands. These finishing touches give each bus a unique character, almost like a signature from the people who built it. Inside the bus, the process is just as manual and intricate. The seats are crafted from wood and foam, cut and shaped by hand, and then upholstered with durable fabrics. Carpenters use hand saws, chisels, and sandpaper to create each seat frame, ensuring not just comfort, but also a perfect fit within the bus layout. The interior layout is planned with great care, using tape measures and basic alignment tools rather than advanced design software. The goal is to create a comfortable, functional passenger space while maintaining the hand-built authenticity of the vehicle. Throughout the process, the craftsmen rely on basic measurement tools, tape measures, rulers, and their own trained eyes to ensure accuracy. There are no lasers or digital scanners here. The skill lies in the ability to judge proportions, angles, and symmetry by hand, adjusting every detail until it's just right. It's a level of expertise that takes decades to master. What makes this kind of hand-built manufacturing so fascinating is the combination of tradition and creativity. In a world dominated by machines, these buses are a reminder of the artistry that can be achieved with nothing more than determination and skill. Each bus is slightly unique, carrying the fingerprint of the people who built it. No two are exactly the same, and that's what gives them their charm and authenticity. This video isn't just about building a bus. It's about preserving a culture of manual craftsmanship that is rapidly disappearing. It's about proving that with patience, precision, and teamwork, even the most complex projects can be completed without advanced machinery. These craftsmen are not just building vehicles, they are building a legacy of handwork, one bolt and one brushstroke at a time. By the time the bus rolls out of the workshop, it's more than just a means of transportation. It's a work of art, shaped entirely by human effort and dedication. Watching this process reminds us that great things can be achieved without relying on technology, and that the true power of creation often lies in the skill of the hands and minds behind the work. In a world dominated by machines, automated factories, and high-speed production lines, seeing a passenger bus built entirely by hand feels almost like stepping back in time. Every hammer strike, every carefully cut piece of metal, and every brushstroke of paint tells a story of dedication, patience, and true craftsmanship. These buses are not just vehicles. They are the result of hours, days, and sometimes weeks of careful work from skilled artisans who rely on nothing more than their hands, simple tools, and experience passed down through generations. Watching this handmade bus come to life reminds us of the power of traditional skills in a modern world. It's proof that technology is not the only path to excellence. Sometimes, the most impressive achievements are those crafted slowly, deliberately, and with love for the process itself. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of handmade bus manufacturing, consider subscribing to discover more stories like this, where human skill and determination turn simple raw materials into something extraordinary. And remember, behind every masterpiece, there's a pair of hard-working hands making it all possible.